She got up and cursed me. Today onwards, you are going to be a woman. And unless and until a man tells you you are intelligent and you are beautiful, you are never going to be a man again. There was a transformation. Top to bottom. Attitude changed. Suddenly there was an urge. That feeling I was never used to it. It was a big urge in me. I didn't know what to do. Irresistible urge. My wife said, that is called the feeling to gossip. So I picked up the phone and I told, you know what? In Medley Toastmasters, there's a girl called Anusha. She wears a green color dress when there are no other dresses available. Right. And also, you know what? There is one guy called Arjun. He's not looking at girls anymore. But he's constantly looking at Tushar all the time. One guy is IT, other is IIT. Right. And you know one person called Guru Prasad? He was Division I, VRI, TLI. Now his wife is looking at CBI to find him. Nobody knows him where is he. This was going on, and I suddenly realized I need to go to Toastmasters, and I was at Gandhinagar Club. In front of Gandhinagar Club, one person was telling, come here, make mistake, come here, make mistake, come here, make mistake. I didn't understand what it was that, come here, make mistakes. But one thing I realized, everybody has a good eye contact. And President Sunil Jose was leading in that eye contact. He was looking and staring at me. And he came and shook hands with me and said, I am the president of this club. I have 2 daughters and 1 wife. But I have adopted 5 children of Medley. I reduced average women folks age from 45 to 25. If you join today, I can make it 24.5. And he said, if you join today, I can give you free bonda, which is a metaphor for my life, he said. And this was suddenly one person said, no. Jerry Sanfield says that the connection between the daughter and father increases if you join Toastmasters. Who's this person? He said, when I joined Toastmasters, my connection was just 50 Mbps and it was Airtel connection. And my daughter's was Vodafone connection. And wherever the network was, I couldn't connect it. But I joined Toastmasters and slowly our connection became 100 Mbps. When this was going on, one lady held my hand. He said, I will save you from all the men folks. Come. I'll take you a place where you've never been before. It's a nice place. Feels nice, smells nice, everything nice. She took to me a place, restroom of Medley Toastmasters. It's a wonderful place to be in. The moment I got into that place, I realized one thing. Women folks never use toilet properly, but use a mirror properly. Everybody was in front of the mirror standing there. And this person called Jayanti was telling me one thing. See, there is a big minority issue there. In my house, I have 2 sons and 1 husband. I am a minority there. In Medley, I am the only woman president. Nobody else have ever become the woman president in Medley. I'll make you one, but if you join. Then I said, no, I can't give speeches and all. Don't give speeches and all. I now give speeches. But the moment I see my husband's name in the agenda, I'll make sure that I'll give a speech and I will win a ribbon. In case I'm not winning a ribbon, I will buy a ribbon and I'll go to home. That was happening. Then suddenly she said the most motivating line said, to be a president, don't worry about anything. Buy 24 silk sarees, 1 big necklace, and a little bit dance step. That's why you are the president. I was totally confused in a wonderland. Suddenly in the corner, I saw one girl. Felt she was suffering from fever and headache and things like that. It was like, what happened? What happened? No, I'm fine. I'm preparing for my table topics. What? Table topics. Now what is table topic? Oh, table topics in England, 1 to 2 minutes, red color, blue color, that color, those colors and all. But I am the division champion for Medley. I'm Chennai. I really wanted to get out of the place. As I was coming out of the restroom, there was one guy with a camera there. And his friend was also there, cinematographer standing. I asked him, what is this? I am the poster boy of Medley. I take photographs everywhere. Wherever you go, I take photographs. And I am also the Salman Khan. But I don't have muscles here. I have muscle here. And he said, you are intelligent and you are beautiful. Alice in Wonderland story becomes Alex in Wonderland story. And it ended there. Thank you.